Hi guys, it's Dean from Extreme Car Cleaning, and today I just want to share something really quick. This is a cabin filter, okay? It should be changed every 2 years. Now if you've got a smell in a car and you can't get it out of there, it keeps coming back, this might be the problem. Now one of the nice things about this is when you pull the cabin filter, inspect it. Okay, because it can tell you a lot of what's going on in the car. There could be a hornet's nest in there. There could be a lot of different things going on. So it's easy for hornets to get into the ductwork. Sometimes mice get up in there and make a mess. So check this really good and make sure there's no debris on it. If it's just full of smoke or regular dirt, dust, that's okay. But if there's something strange going on, like you've got feathers in there or little pieces of straw, it's probably an indication that there's a mouse nest in there. Okay, just to help you guys out, because I've run into a couple of vehicles where I actually had to get one of my mechanic buddies to tear it apart, get the nest out of there, and then they brought the vehicle back to me and I cleaned it up for them. But yeah, if you've got a nest going on way up in the ductwork, or you've got hornets up in there, it's going to be really tough to get that out of there. And just cleaning it with a steamer or a chemical gun is not going to cut it. So you have to remove the source of the smell. So I just figured I'd share that with you guys today. And for the customers out there, if your vehicle is newer, you probably do have a cabin filter in it. So check your manual, talk to your dealership. And every 2 years you should be changing it out, because it does start to smell after a while. It gets damp and it'll start to stink. So yeah, if you got a weird smell going on in the car, that might be the culprit. Okay, because if an air freshener is not helping, then that's probably what's going on. I just thought I'd share that today with you guys, okay, because it's helped me on a lot of cleanups. I get bad interiors in here, and I always recommend the customer have the cabin filter changed. A lot of times if it's easy to get to, I'll YouTube it, I'll check. If it's really simple, it's behind the glove box, it's easy to access. You can check it out on YouTube. If it's really easy, you can do it. A lot of times it's only 2 screws to get to it. Okay? So anyways, just thought I'd share that with you. Have a great day. Happy Sunday, guys. Bye.